race your game, baby. Trifactor. So racing alone. At this. Let's go. So Trifactor. Hanggang 7 PM bike check-in. Dami na. Nice to race again, guys. Mula dun hanggang dun. On the way na tayo, guys. It's transition. Let's go, let's go. It's already 5:08. Still early. Para makapag-stretching, just to get in the right type of mind. So be an easy thing. Here's my main man, Junji. Hey, we can fight. You can try. Fit try PH Runcaster boy. Ano kinain mo, pre?
Wala, hindi pa kumain.
Ano ba yan? Dapat kumain ka. Noodles, gano'n. Carbs.
Hindi, kagabi nagsobrang kain ako. Pero
yun, no? 750 meters open water swim, washing machine.
paano mo nga? Nagdadikit mo na yun sa'yo?
So we are going inside transition area to set up our things. You can see.
Rene Santos.
All the best Rayadis are here. Donald Jones. And you can see everyone trying to ayos their things. Let's go. Tahan natin ang isa natin tropa. Wala naman tayo magawa eh. So, gano'n lang tayo. Tingin-tingin lang. Punta natin isa nating tropa. Si John Kabayang Jacob. John Kabayang Jacob. What's up?
Morning.
Si John Kabayang Jacob. Ang maganda ang tubig ngayon. Ito, sa gitna ako. Olympic ka, di ba?
Finish lang daw. Go daw.
We got Team Mega Y represent on the red carpet, Ryan Tipon. We're gonna check. Yeah, oh, 245. That's right. That's right. We got John Albert.
Trifactor. Maganda siyang race. It's a good race. Maganda yung tubig. Well, lasang gasolina kasi nasa Subic. Pero okay naman. Flat lang yung tubig. Maganda sa Trifactor. Yung spacing nila yung mga pagpapakaw. So, ayun. Tapos, yung bike. Okay naman. Flat. Sa tri-bike course. Ayun, hindi na ako mag-race na may road bike. Nakakaawa, nakakaawa. Tapos yung run, flat lang. 4 na loop, medyo nakakaumay. May mainit na part kasi walang shade. Pero ayos yung hydration, nutrition, and then pero man. Ang ayaw ko lang sa Trifactor, bakit walang pabag? So tingnan naman natin kung masasabing Junji. Ano masabi mo sa race?
Survive naman sa so far. Buti walang naging aberya sa dagat. Piling ko ulit pa ako, babalik.
Yun, magmamay Cola din ka ba?
Oo, piling ko magmamay
Olympic na.
Oo, this time Olympic na.
Yun no?
Thank you.
Nice one.
Yes.
So yun, tapos na guys. Parang wala nangyari. Well, Trifactor. Final review for the race. It's a good race. I recommend this to to newbies, intermediate, and meron din naman siyang mga elite. So kung gusto nyong pumodium, it's a good race to race. Some nitpicks na lang siguro. Number 1, una, wala ngang bag. Kahit sling bag man lang, sana. Medyo mahal din yung reg, no? Pangalawa, yung shirt, binibigay na nila yung finisher shirt dun sa pag-register mo pa lang. So, at the same time, parehas lang yung shirt ng tawag dito. Parehas lang yung shirt ng yung maikli lang, yung sprint, saka yung yung Olympic. So, parang hindi na-distinguish yung dalawang distance. Pangalawa, maganda yung medal, mabigat, malaki, maganda yung design, may ano pa. Pero sana man lang dun sa may nakalagay man lang kung anong distance, Olympic o sprint, para maiba naman. Kasi well, siguro maliit na lang na bagay yun, no? Pero it's a good race. Maganda yung course, it's very nice. Madaming aid stations, may pagkain, chips, coke, anlibuhos. Hindi tinipid yung race, okay? So I would recommend this race. Tri-Factor, kudos to yung mga organizers ng Tri-Factor. I'll see this race again next year. Sarap mag-Olympic. Maikli lang, hindi ka masyadong pagod, di ba? Up to the next race, guys.